Hello children, in this video we are going to learn how to use exponents to express very large numbers as well as very small numbers. Okay, so in previous class already we learned how to express very large numbers in standard form. Once we revise that. So here for example, distance from the earth to sun is 149,600,000,000 meters. It is very large number. How to express this in standard form we will see. First let us write in exponential form. So here we can write 1496 into 10 to the power 8. Why 8 here? How many zeros are there? That becomes exponent, isn't it? So 10 to the power 8 meters. But standard form means what? Standard form of a number means the product of a decimal number between 1 and 10 and the number with base 10. Okay. So here the same can be written as 1.496 into 10 cube. This same 1496 can be written as 1.496 into 10 cube into 10 power 8 already we have here meters. So here we can use the law of exponents. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So it becomes 1.496 into 10 to the power 11. 3 plus 8. We have to add the exponents. So 10 power 11 meters. This is the standard form of this large number. Okay. So here one more example. Speed of light is, what is this number? 300 million meters per second. So here also we can use standard form concept, that is 3 into, here after one digit we have to keep the decimal, but 3.0 means we need not, right? That's why just we can write 3 into, how many zeros are there here? After 3, how many places are there? How many digits are there? We have to see. That is total 8. So 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. That is the easy method to write any number, any large number in standard form. Okay. So standard form means what? Standard form means writing or expressing a number as the product of a decimal number between 1 and 10, including 1 also. Okay. Including 1.0 and the number with base 10. So in this way, if you express, that becomes a standard form. And actually in the previous videos we have seen why we have to use exponents and why we have to write always the scientific facts in standard form, isn't it? So this standard form is used to write all the scientific facts. Okay. Now let us see how to express very small numbers in standard form using exponents. So here example I have taken is the size of a plant cell is 0.0000127 meters. So here how to express this very small number in exponential form in standard form we will see. Okay. So now the same number can be written as a fraction. How can we write? 1275 divided by, here after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? So 1, 2, 3. Here also 8 zeros. Means what is this number? 10 crore. Okay, 1275 by 10 crore. So here how can we write 1275 by 10 to the power, how many zeros? 8. Okay. And now what can we write here? Actually we want the standard form. Standard form means the product of the decimal number from 1 to 10. So here this numerator also, how can we write? 1.275 into 10 cube. Here 10 to the power 8 is there in the denominator. So how can we write now? 1.275 into 10 to the power 3 minus 8. That is 10 to the power 5 minus 5. 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters. So in this way very small numbers can be expressed in standard form. One more example we will see. Diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.000003 meters. So here how can we write as a fraction? 3 by, how many digits are there after decimal? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 lakh. Okay, meters. So the same can be written as 3 by 10 to the power 6 meters. So how to write it? 1 by 10 to the power 6 is nothing but 10 to the power minus 6. So very small numbers are expressed using negative exponents. Very large numbers are expressed with positive exponents, and very small numbers we get negative exponent. Once if you observe these two, here what we got? 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters. Here 3 into 10 power minus 6 meters. If you observe these two standard forms, short method we can write. What is that we will see. Here actually 1 point, that means the decimal moves how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it became 10 to the power minus 5. Here decimal we have to keep 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters. Decimal moved 5 places to right. Okay, decimal moved 5 places to right. That's why it became 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters. So instead of doing all these steps, we can write directly. Here also you will see. Here decimal moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3 point actually. 3.0 we can write, but 3.0 means we need not write that. That's why we are writing only as 3. That's why 3, how many places decimal moved? 6 places decimal moved to right side. Okay, so 3 into 10 power minus 6 meters. So instead of doing like this, writing as a fraction, then exponent, these all we need not do. Just how many places you are moving the decimal, you have to see that we have to write as the negative exponent. That's it. It's very easy. If you understand, we do more sums from the exercise. Okay, few sums we do from exercise 1.2. Express the following numbers in standard form. So here this is the number given. If you observe, this is very small number, so it should be expressed with the negative exponent. So here we are going to follow the short method only. Okay, so here how many places the decimal is moved, we will count, and that we write as the negative exponent to the base 10. So here the decimal is here. Where we have to keep the decimal now? So after 8. So from here to here the decimal should be moved. How many places it is moving to right side, we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it can be written as 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, since it is very small number, we get negative exponent. And how many places the decimal is moved, that will be the exponent. Okay, now the next number, it is also very small number, so it is also in the same way as the previous sum we are going to do. So how many places decimal is moved, we will see. So here the decimal should be kept after 9. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12. Even here we got the same exponent. Now if you see this is large number. Here no decimals we have. This is very large number. It is expressed with positive exponent. Here also actually the same concept. Decimal, no decimal means what? Here we can assume the decimal. So from here to here the decimal is moved. So how can we write 6.02 into how many places it moved? To left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 to the power 15. The decimal is moved left. That's why we get positive exponent. Now next number, this is very small number. Decimal is moved from here to here. That means after 8. So 8.37 into 3, 6, 9. So 10 to the power minus 9. 9 places decimal we move to right side. That's why into 10 to the power minus 9. Again, this is large number. So here we can assume the decimal. So how many places it moved? The decimal we see 3.186 into 3, 6, 9, 10. So 10 to the power 10. So in this way we can express large numbers as well as very small numbers in standard form. Hope you understood how to use exponents in writing standard form. Thank you.